Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Robux and please donate. If you ever gotten an offline donation and you're not sure where it went, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. It's super easy once you know where to look, so let's get into it. Alright, so when you think of claiming Robux and please donate, you might be wondering, do I need to do anything special if someone donated to me while I was offline? The answer is yes, but it's really simple. Just go to the game and look for the gifts button. You'll see it on the left side of your screen. Once you click that, you'll see a mailbox icon, so go ahead and tap that. Now, if someone sent you an offline donation, it'll show up right there. You'll see how much they donated, their name, and you get the option to claim your Robux. Just hit that claim button and boom, it's yours. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to claim your Robux from offline donations and please donate. Hope that helped. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips.